So hello guys, welcome back to the channel Devashikis. In this video we are going to do the tutorial about how to play a piano. So in this video we will cover simple things that will help you to play songs like this, or even this. So let's get straight into it. So first let us take a look at the piano. So let's start from here. So here we have three white keys, and the next to it they have four white keys again. So this set of three white keys and four white keys make an octave. So in total there will be seven keys in an octave, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And like that, in my piano there is 5 octaves. First octave, second octave, third octave, fourth octave, fifth octave. So, and let me show you the difference between this. All these keys and all these 7 keys are represented with a single letter. Like this is C. This is C, and it's like the alphabet order, like C, this is D, this is E, F, G, and again it start off from A, B, C. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So like that, every octave is like this. So this is C, this is C, this is C, this is C. So I think you notice the difference between this. This is the sound is different, like this. So as we have learned C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So in every octave the sound will be different, like and in the reverse order. C, D, E, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. So with this you can play simple songs like this. And many songs like this. So then we can talk about the black keys. So there's in the first 3 keys there is 2 black keys, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. So let us see how we can name this. So this is a C, C. This is a D and this is a E. So the way we name this is if the black key is right to a white key, then this is the sharp of that. Thus this is C sharp. So it is represented with a C and a sharp, and it is like a hash. I'll show you that. And this is C sharp, this is D sharp, this is F sharp, this is G sharp, and this is A sharp. So, and these sharps also have another name. It is called flat. So flat just basically means if it is D flat, that means this key, that it is left to the represented key. So like D flat is shown like a D and a small b like thing. And so this is D flat, this is G flat, this is A flat, and this is B flat. So with this you can play a simple song like this. Or this. So this is not the correct Firelight, but this is the beginner version of Firelight. And so that is the basics of keyboard. So with this knowledge, you can learn many songs and play many songs. So see you in the next one.